All right, here's how I'm gonna do stuffed mushrooms. I get these on clearance all the time. For whatever reason, they're always marked down, or seem to be. But I've got baby bellas and I got white mushroom caps. So I'm gonna show you how to knock the stem off. We're gonna save the stems over here. I'm gonna cook those separate. And see, I'll bring you in close and I'll show you what we're doing here. All right, the stuffed mushrooms. What you're gonna do is when you come in and look at the caps, there's a stem right here. I start pushing a little each way. The stem comes out. So, whoop. So put it right back in there. We're gonna cook those separately later with a little bit of butter and top them off with some cheese. Nothing goes to waste around here. All right, as you can see here, I've rinsed these off. Now put them belly side up, facing the sun, and I'm gonna let them dry out. And supposedly, according to people way smarter than me, if you have any mushroom gill side up or the belly side up facing the sun, it absorbs way more vitamin D. I do zero research. I repeat stuff smarter people than me have said. All right, here we're gonna do the filling. For every 2 blocks of cream cheese, I'm gonna do 6. I fried some bacon crispy. I'm gonna throw 6 of these in and 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. And the trick to this is I do this up way before I have to actually stuff the peppers or the mushrooms or the dill pickle boats. I'm gonna make all these out of this same exact recipe. I got a whole bunch of more of this to blend up later. I'm just showing you how to do a smaller batch here. Throw your bacon down in, because this cream cheese, as it sits, it'll soak up all these flavors. 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. All right, quick hack for storing anything like this. I use Ziploc bags, turn them inside out, and then use those to gather everything up. Oh, now I made a mess on this hand, of course. If you're concentrating, it works great. Bacon cream cheese stuffed portobellos, little bell caps. Served cold, do it cold.